Hello all, we are going to view intercom menu. In the intercom submenus, the submenus are favorites, contacts, history, missed calls, and call forwarding. In the favorites section, contacts marked as favorites can be viewed. In the contact list, all contacts are displayed. Call history can be displayed in this submenu. Missed calls and snapshots can be viewed in this section. You can click on this icon to see the snapshot. Call forwarding can be activated or deactivated in this submenu. Details of this feature will be mentioned later in the video. It is possible to adjust intercom ring volume, set Do Not Disturb feature, and use intercom action buttons. To set Do Not Disturb feature, click on the button and select the activation period. When it is activated, an icon will appear at the top bar and color of the button on the dashboard will be red. When it is activated, Touch Panel will not receive any calls. To disable Do Not Disturb, just click on Do Not Disturb button. From the incoming call screen, you can accept or reject the call or perform operations added by the integrator, such as opening the door with the intercom action buttons. To call for a contact, go to Favorites or Contacts and click on the contact you want to call. Call on Mobile allows you to receive intercom calls in your mobile app when you are not at home. You can have live video talk with your visitor from your mobile app and can open gate door if you want. Call forward time allows you to determine period of incoming call to be forwarded when it is not replied at home. If you want to receive calls from your mobile application after call forwarding is activated on the touch panel, you can activate it on the Call on Mobile section from the Settings menu in the core mobile application. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.